Alright, so this is the last video and kind of the giving you the basics of supply and demand before we get down to some actual example questions. And this is one where both the price is uncertain, so P is a question mark, and quantity is a question mark. So I say this for last because it's kind of the screwball question. There are a lot of things that can cause this, but I'm going to kind of try and give you just the general idea of what's going on. So if you really don't know what's happening to price and you don't know what's happening to quantity, normally supply will be both decreasing and then increasing, or demand will be decreasing and increasing. So like if supply goes from the green to the red and then to the yellow, we know that it is both increasing and then decreasing. But this yellow could have been drawn over here to the left of the original green, or it could have been drawn like back in here, and that would have been, increasing and then decreasing. And so that is the situation when both are uncertain. It's either supply is increasing and decreasing, or demand is increasing and decreasing, or both supply and demand are increasing or decreasing. And so whenever I'm going to kind of just represent it like this, when supply is going up and down, or demand is going up and down, you get situations like this. So when it's just kind of flip-flopping back and forth, that's when you're going to get it's not enough information to tell, or the entire thing is uncertain. And those are really both just the same thing. So hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, let me know and I'll go into some more detail about this. But it's just a situation where the magnitude of the increase and decrease are what are important. How big the increase is and how big the decrease are. And you can't tell that just by if it's increasing or decreasing. So with that, we are done with the overview, and we will jump into some example questions that will be based on previous tests, but won't be the exact questions that have been on any previous tests, because we aren't going to go ahead and violate any of ASU's policies. So they'll be based off test questions. You'll get everything you need to know to answer your test questions that are coming up, but they won't be the exact test questions. So I will go ahead and see you in the next video.